Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see about ratio and proportions introduction. Okay, first we will see the introduction and then we will solve problems in the upcoming videos. Okay, first one, ratio. So what is ratio? The ratio of two quantities A and B in the same units is the fraction A divided by B. Is exactly, ratio is the fraction. Okay, if there are two quantities A and B, then the ratio will be denoted as A is to B, which is equivalent to A divided by B. In ratio A is to B, we call A as the first term and B as the second term, or antecedent and consequent. Okay, in this rule there is some rule in ratio. Okay, that is, the multiplication or division of each term of a ratio by the same non-zero number does not affect the ratio. For example, we take A is to B, right? A into 2 is to B into 2, also same. Okay, which is equivalent to A is to B, and A divided by 2 is to B divided by 2, which is equivalent to A is to B. Here an example is given: 4 is to 5 is equal to 8 is to 10 is equal to 12 is to 15. That is, if we divide 8 is to 10 with 2, we get 4 is to 5. Okay, then if you divide 12 is to 15 with 3, we get 4 is to 5. These are all equal. Okay, next one, proportion. The equality of two ratios is called proportion. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, we write A is to B double colon, okay, C is to D, which is a proportion, which is to denote proportion. Okay, if it satisfies the condition, we say that A, B, C and D are in proportion. Here A and D are called extremes. Okay, because both are in the end, so A and D are called extremes, and then B and C are called mean terms. Okay, the product of means is equal to product of extremes. That is, B into C is equal to A into D. Okay, hope you understood. That is, A is to B proportion C is to D means B into C is equal to A into D. Next one, fourth proportional. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, then D is called the fourth proportional to A, B and C, which is the fourth number, so that is proportional to fourth proportional to remaining 3 Okay, so also C is called the third proportional to A and B. Next one, mean proportional. Mean proportional between A and B is root of AB. Okay, that is AB the whole power 0.5. Next one, comparison of ratios. We say that A is to B greater than C is to D, that is A divided by B greater than C divided by D. Next, compounded ratio. The compounded ratio of the ratios A is to B, C is to D, E is to F is A, C, E is to B, D, F. We have combined it as a compound, like all the values in left hand side is to all the values in right hand side, like that. Okay, next one, duplicate ratios. A duplicate ratio of A is to B is A square is to B square. Subduplicate ratio is root A is to root B. Then triplicate ratio is root 3 of A is to, A power 3 is to B power 3. Subtriplicate ratio, which is root 3 is to root B. Root 3A is to root 3B. Okay, if A divided by B is equal to C divided by D, then A plus B divided by A minus B is equal to C plus D divided by C minus D. Next one, variations. We say that if X is directly proportional to Y, if X is equal to KY, that is, okay, if X is directly proportional to Y means X is nearly equivalent to Y. We say some constant, okay, so KY, X is equal to KY, which is directly equivalent to Y, but there is some differences, so we take constant K, so X is equal to KY. Also we can write it as X is equal to Y. If X is inversely proportional to Y, which is denoted as X is equivalent to 1 by Y. Okay, 1 by Y means XY is equal to 1 or some constant K. Okay, these are the things we have to remember while solving problems related to ratios and proportions. We'll solve problems related to this in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to view all the upcoming videos. Thank you.